Robbie, get back. They're moving. Reloading! Stone, I'm reloading. No, I'm not. It's just not, the mag's not feeding. Hey, I see rivers! Hit! Hit! Where's our red bucket? Stone, they barely clipped my hand. Move, move. I need help, Stone. He didn't get me, but... Move, 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 move! Respawn already, Stone! I think I got Landon. Landon's hit! I got him! I got Landon. Check that garage! Hey, you haven't gotten to your bucket yet! The red and white one up there is your spawn bucket! Oh, hit! Stone, I told you to check that door! He's over here, guys! I told you! Stone! Robbie! Stone didn't check the one area I told him to check! Chill. Robbie! Stone! Get over here! What? Well, I'm getting spawn killed over here because you aren't doing anything. Stone, when you ran by that garage area, I told you. What? Same here. I'm not even spawned yet. Guess what happened? You know when you ran by that area where they keep their like 4-wheeler? I told you Emerson's probably in there, and you just ran by, and then a second later he popped out and sprayed me. This was way before that happened. And then I was the only one over here defending the bucket, and then I got sprayed by Emerson point blank. Like 4 times in the leg, point blank. So you're gonna have to suck up the pain sometimes. Hey, you have to kill us one more time after our bucket. Emerson, remember we have one more life after our bucket's stolen. Yes. We only spent 5 minutes getting back up here. Yeah, we did. Emerson, I told you we have one more life after our bucket's stolen. That's how we always done it. Yes, it is. So me and Emerson have played recently. Yeah, that's the point. You're supposed to defend. No, I can't hear you from here. Emerson, I always thought the rule was no going in there. You used to tell me I can't go in there to do it. Yeah, you used to tell me we can't go in there. That's what you used to tell me, like last year you always said that. You always preached, don't go in there. And then when Stone
don't kill them when they're walking.
And then when Stone ran by, I said, Stone, he's in there. When he was right there, I said, Stone, Emerson's probably in there, because I don't remember that door being that much open. And then Stone just kept running, and then you turned around the corner and sprayed me seconds later.
I'm sorry. Alright,
you sprayed me point blank. You sprayed me point blank.
Did I kill you 3 or 4 times?
2 times. 2 times.
Right there.
2 times. I think Landon got me 1 time.
Oh, Landon got you.
Yeah, I got killed because Stone doesn't listen. I got Landon. I got you because I just rapid fired into that bush you were sitting behind. That's the point, though. This thing does not have semi-auto. It's only vert.